do not bomb Iran, or else. That is a warning, not from television anchors, not from opposition politicians, but from inside the US military establishment itself. Quietly, firmly, and seriously, welcome to Times XP and behind closed doors in the Pentagon. Senior commanders are reportedly urging caution. Their message is not to Iran but to Donald Trump, their president. They warn that this will not be quick, this will not be clean, and this will not be contained. One phrase sums it up all: Iran is not Caracas. In other words, Iran is not isolated, weakened state here. It is heavily armed regional power. So let's break it down that why it is so important. Iran has layered air defense systems, right? They have long-range ballistic missiles. They have underground nuclear facility. They have a network of regional allies and armed groups. This is not a one-night operation. It is a potential regional chain reaction. Can you imagine this scenario? The US launches limited strikes, targets nuclear or military sites here. Mission accomplished? Not necessarily, because Iran has already warned that any strike will be treated as an act of aggression and it will be answered decisively. That response may not come in just one form, ladies and gentlemen. It could mean missile launchers, drone swarm, cyber attacks, pressure through allied groups across the Middle East. Suddenly, the battlefield expands from Iran to Iraq to Syria to Lebanon to the Gulf waters, and that's exactly what military planners are fearing. Escalation. Once missiles start flying, controlling the scope, it becomes harder, rather very hard. In the meantime, the US aircraft carriers, they are deployed in the region. Fighter jets are on standby. Regional bases are on high alert. Diplomacy is still, though it is alive, but it is fragile. Every statement now carries weight. Every moment is analyzed. Inside the White House, the choice is heavy: strike and risk a broader war, hold back and risk appearing weak, continue negotiations and hope the talk don't collapse. None of these options are really simple. Now, for military commanders, the concern is not political, it is operational. How many days would this last? How many assets would be required? How many retaliatory strikes would be followed? And how many allies will be pulled in? These are not abstract questions, they are strategic realities. Iran is not just a target, it is a node in regional web. Pull one string and multiple fronts could be ignited, and this is why this warning, it really matters. Because when generals caution a president, it means the risk, they are not theoretical. Well, they are calculated, they are modeled, they are simulated, and they are found to be severe. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, carriers positioned, in fact, missiles ready, diplomats negotiating, and a decision that could reshape the Middle East. The question is not whether America can strike. Of course they can. The question is what happens the day after, because as commanders are reportedly reminding the White House, bombing may be easy, but containing the consequences may not be.